Hi everyone, this is E, like the letter E, the empty nester. How are you today? It's kind of an overcast, rainy day here in Missouri, and the ground is wet from being rained on the last couple of days, so it might be easier to dig into if you have just regular soil, or the area that I'm in right here used to be raised beds and should still be pretty pliable, but I've decided that I need to get these beans. These are cowpeas. You may have seen them in my past videos. They were found in Sri Lanka, the country Sri Lanka, on the roadside, and I got them from the Experimental Farm Network to regrow and send them back seeds. They sent me 6 seeds, and I turned the 6 seeds into a little over 2.5 pounds. And I'm gonna regrow what I kept, so that I can get my seed supply refurbished. And I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it, kind of an easier way than, let's see if I can bend over here. What I thought about was taking, like this is a vacuum tube, for a push-around vacuum. You could take this is the base of a solar light, and put this on here, and then tape it up and use it to drill the hole. But I'm going to just use this right now today to put the seed in, so I don't have to keep bending over. And I've got sorry about the tool. I've got this tool right here. My friend Miss Darst in St. Louis said this was her favorite tool. She'd go around and pop weeds with it, but what I'm going to do is just use it to pop into the ground and make a hole, and then let me show you a little closer over here. Hope you don't mind me moving you. Give you a front row seat. How's that? And point down. No, I haven't cleared the area for weeds. Let's see. Okay. But I'm just going to show you one hole. See how loose the soil is? I'm using the tip of this to put in an indenture into the ground, and then using this to pop the seed in. And the seed is right here. And just covering it right over, and that's it. Because you only need to cover a seed like 1 or 2 times the size of the seed, and that'll be great. And the seeds will grow all over this fence line like all the weeds are right now, but hopefully by the time it starts growing, the weeds will all be gone. But I'll go ahead and close for now. I want to wish you all well, and thanks for watching.